Hey guys, it's Damian. I'm back with another gem, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to transfer any Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Deezer playlists over to your Apple Music. So the app that we're going to need is called Playlist for Apple Music. Download it, and once you open it, you'll be greeted with this to link your account. Oh, forgot to mention, you have to have an active Apple Music subscription for this to work. So we're going to click link your account, and it's going to ask you to allow access to your library. Once that's over, you'll be asked to link your other music services or accounts. For me, I'm going to use Spotify. I'm going to log into my Spotify account and hit continue. Then it's going to ask you about this thing for the priority. I'm just going to pick best overall and leave as it is. Now we're going to get into the transfer. We're going to click on the Spotify library or any account that you've linked so far. Here you're going to see all your playlists. Just pick one and it's going to scan that playlist. It might take a while because it has to match the songs in that playlist over to Apple Music. Click save or start, and now you can rename the playlist to whatever you want. You click done and head over to Apple Music. And just like that, you have all your liked songs in the playlist in there and ready to listen to. And that's pretty much it for today. A very short video, a very helpful thing I had to show you guys because I've been using it for my playlist. And I hope you guys did like it. Subscribe and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.